Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to top up WebMoney. First, understand that WebMoney is a global electronic payment system, enabling secure online transactions. Topping up your WebMoney wallet means adding funds to it, which then allows you to make purchases, pay for services, or send money to others. It's a straightforward process with several convenient options available to you. There are several popular ways to add funds to your WebMoney account. Many users opt for bank transfers, directly moving money from their bank to their wallet. Payment terminals are great for cash deposits, often found in public places. You can also use exchange services to convert funds from other electronic payment systems, or purchase prepaid cards for a quick and secure top-up. To begin, simply log into your WebMoney Keeper application or website. Navigate to the Top Up section, where you'll see a list of available methods. Select the one that suits you best, then enter the amount you wish to add. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through the specific steps for your chosen method. And finally, confirm your transaction. Before finalizing any top-up, always check for associated fees, as these can vary significantly between methods. It's crucial to ensure all your personal details are accurate to avoid any delays or issues. Also, be aware that processing times differ. Some methods are instant, while others may take a few business days. Always use official WebMoney channels or trusted, verified partners for your transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.